Are you worried about your retirement savings? You should be. Right now, the financial landscape is shifting faster than ever before. Inflation is at a 40-year high. The stock market is unpredictable. And let's not even talk about the volatility of the banking system. It's clear. Traditional retirement plans are no longer the safe bet they once were. Let me tell you a story about Jim and Linda from Arizona. They worked hard their whole lives. Jim was a teacher, Linda was a nurse. They saved diligently, built up their 401k, and thought they were set. But when the market crashed in 2008, they lost a substantial chunk of their retirement. They never fully recovered from that blow. But last year, when inflation soared and the banks started showing cracks, they realized their 401k wasn't going to protect them anymore. That's when they heard about gold IRAs. Jim and Linda decided to take action. They spoke to a gold IRA expert. No pressure, no gimmicks, just education. They rolled over a portion of their retirement, $540,000, into gold. And within months, their portfolio was looking more stable than ever. Now, when they hear about stock market fluctuations or bank concerns, they sleep a little easier at night. The truth is, this isn't just about Jim and Linda. It's about you. If you've spent your life building a nest egg, you deserve to protect it. And here's why a gold IRA is one of the smartest ways to do that. First, gold has historically been a hedge against inflation. While the dollar loses value, gold tends to rise. When stock markets crash, gold holds its value. And with the current state of the economy, who knows what's next? Second, it's secure. Unlike paper assets that can be wiped out overnight, gold is tangible. It's something you can physically hold, and it's universally accepted. You're not relying on the whims of a financial institution or government policies. And here's the best part. Setting up a gold IRA is easier than you think. You don't need to be a financial expert to make the right move. That's exactly what Jim and Linda learned when they took advantage of a free gold IRA guide and educational call. This could be your story. A story of taking control of your retirement, protecting your savings, and securing your future. If you've got $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, then you owe it to yourself to explore this option. It's completely free to get the guide and schedule a no-obligation call. There's no high-pressure sales pitch, no free silver gimmicks, just one-on-one education to see if a gold IRA makes sense for you. Jim and Linda took that first step and are now living with more peace of mind. You can do the same. Your retirement is too important to leave it to chance. So, take action today. Download your free guide and schedule your free call. Let's see how you can protect your hard-earned retirement and make sure it lasts for generations to come. No strings attached, just solid, reliable advice.